So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest in 2024 without getting banned and a method that actually gets you conversions. Now this is what all of the big players are doing, but don't worry, it's free and I'm going to show you everything you need to do in this quick video. So we are on Pinterest right now, and if you go to your Pinterest feed, you will see all of these different pins on your homepage right now. You must have an inspiration from your homepage of what you want to promote on Pinterest, but because you can't just go ahead and throw a random product to Pinterest, you are not going to get any conversion. What you need is a niche and an angle. So simply create a Pinterest account. You can create an account in any niche, but what I would suggest is to create an account in either health, wealth, or any niche which basically targets female, because Pinterest is full of middle-aged women. Now the niche that I'm going to show you how to enter in this video is going to be the weight loss niche, and we are going to promote a specific product which I think could do pretty well on Pinterest. So now feel free to copy this and run with it yourself. So you first need a product, right? You need to go to Amazon, and the product that I'm going to promote is going to be a weight loss machine, kind of like a fat burning machine. Now these machines really work well. They convert really well on Pinterest because they are aimed at middle-aged women and they can just stand on them and it sure the fat off. So it's a $119 product, which is a good price, which means we are going to get a good commission on this, between $10 or so. So we can promote this to our Pinterest audience. Now the way that we do this is not going to be as simple as just copy and pasting the link. We are going to have to do one more extra step, which is free. It may take you maybe 15 minutes to get it set up, but it's just going to mean your account is not going to be get banned. So we want to go to Pinterest, and first thing first, if you are entering the weight loss niche, you obviously need a weight loss Pinterest. So I would have to go and edit the profile picture and the name to do something like something to do with weight loss. So if I go ahead and type in weight loss here, you can see all of these different accounts and all of these different pins which are talking about weight loss. Now what we are going to do is search for some of these pins here, and I'm going to show you how you can drive traffic to your affiliate product and actually get conversions. Now this is not complicated, but there are a couple of steps involved, so listen up closely and I'll show you exactly what you need to do. So first, here we need to go ahead and upload a pin. So you want to go to your profile, click on the plus icon here or create, and click pin, and you then need to create a pin. You need to drag in the graphic of a pin. Now this graphic need to be like all of the other weight loss graphics on Pinterest, so it need to be bold, it need to be stand out and catch your attention. So we are going to go to Canva. We are going to go ahead and type in here Pinterest. Now Canva is a free online editing tool, as we all know. So go ahead and type in Pinterest into Canva and you will get all of these different options here. Now these are all the templates which we can customize according to our needs. If you go to all filters and scroll down, you can just filter for the free ones. You will get a decent amount of template. So we want to make a pin which is like this. Now let's analyze these pins. Why are these pins effective? Well, they have bright colors, bold font with a picture which catches people's eye. So we are going to do the exact same thing. Now we are going to have to choose from a template, and we can edit all of the colors and edit the way this looks. So let's go and find one which we can kind of emulate. I'm already looking at this one because it's got the background with an image and we can easily edit this text. This one looks good as well. We'll run with this one. So I'll click on this, and whatever template you use, you can change it anyway. So here is our template, and I am just going to zoom in down here and we can start to edit this. Okay, so this is what we are going with. It's not perfect, but it worked well. So now you want to go share and you want to go ahead and download this pin. Download it as a PNG file. So here it is. Now we want to head to Pinterest. We want to go ahead and create a new pin. So go back to your profile, click pin, and then upload your image that we have just created. So here we go. Here's our image. Now what a lot of people will tell you to do and what worked before was you could just link to a product and it would be fine, but nowadays Pinterest is banning accounts if you do that, and I wouldn't recommend you do that. Instead, what I would recommend you is to create a landing page. So if we look at some of these pins in the weight loss niche, you will see if you click on it, it's going to go to a website which is kind of like an article about how to lose weight. Now what we can do is we can create a free website with Google Sites and kind of link or affiliate link in this website. Now this website only has to be a single page website, and I'll show you here. We'll just get it set up in 5 minutes, right? So go to Google Sites. You would even use a template, but for the video we are going with blank site. Look how quickly we can get this set up. Now I am going to write here the best ways to lose weight. Now look how easy this is going to be. You can do this in your niche. Now we'll go to Unsplash. We'll go ahead and get an image to use here from Unsplash. This one will do so well. Download here, download this, and we will go ahead and click image on Google Sites, click upload, and we upload this image we have just downloaded. So now we have got our website coming together. Now what we need to do is write an article on the best 5 ways to lose weight and include our affiliate link from Amazon for this product here. Now we can go ahead and write this article. So no problem, you can just go ahead and go to ChatGPT or use GravityWrite for generating an article. Now if you have not used ChatGPT, it's an AI tool, and I would say here write an article explaining the top ways to lose weight. In one of the ways, explain how someone could use a vibration plate to lose weight, and by giving this prompt, it's then going to give us an article with the top ways to lose weight, and one of them should be including this vibration plate. So here we go, we got this, and this is where we are going to put our affiliate link. Okay, so now we can copy this article. Look how good this is right now. We'll go to Google Sites, and you can go ahead and drag some images as well if you want. I'm just going to add a text box, but you need to format this and make this look good. Okay, so now obviously you would highlight whatever needs highlighting and bold whatever needs bolding. You can obviously go for info about this, but you have got here your vibration plate for quick weight loss. All we need to do is you need to go to Amazon, you need to go text link, text copy your affiliate link from Amazon, then go to Google Sites, and you can now paste this in whenever it mentions vibration plate. So if you highlight this, you can then go and link it. So click insert link and paste, and now you have just pasted in your Amazon affiliate link. You can even say get the best vibration plate here, and then we could even link this and make this an affiliate link as well. So now what we have done is we have created an article that explains how to lose weight, and one of the method is going to be using a vibration plate. Now we'll publish this, and we can give this a web address. So click publish, and your site is going to be live. To preview it, go to the top right, go view. So now you have got the best ways to lose weight. You have got an article, and this link should redirect to Amazon. So I'll click it. Now it should then take me to Amazon.com and take me to my affiliate link of this product. So everything all set up. Now we will copy this Google site website. We'll go back to Pinterest, and we will see we have already added our pins. So now you could title it ways to lose 20 pounds in 2 months, or whatever the title is, right? Give it a catchy title, then add your link, add a description, and then go ahead and choose a board for this. I would have to create a new board, create board, weight loss, create now. Once you have entered in all of this, you have done the tags and everything, just click publish, and now your pin has gone live. So here it is, ways to lose 20 pounds in 2 months. If someone click on your pin, it will take them to your Google Sites. So you're not going to get banned for spamming affiliate links, and inside your Google site blog post you have your affiliate link. When someone clicks on it, and it will redirect them to Amazon. If buy, you will earn a commission. So I hope that this video and this tutorial will help you. Do try this method and let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.